All right, for this problem, what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be simplifying algebraic expressions. It says grade 7 next to it because that is something that was taught in grade 7. But some tips for simplifying and or solving. The first thing that you need to make sure is is only combine like terms. That means x with x. X cannot be combined with y. X squared cannot be combined with x. Things like that. Now, the next thing is you need to make sure to follow the order of operations. So Pemdas, we focused on that a little bit in the last unit. That will stay important throughout the whole time. So make sure that you're on top of it. So for the first example, we need to simplify the expression 9x plus 4x. Since they are both singular x's, we can just add that 9 and 4 and we get 13. Super hard one. Not really, I'm kidding. But something still to remind you of. However, I want to take a glance over here that what if I gave you 9x plus 4y? X and y are two different variables, therefore you cannot combine it. That would not make 13xy. That would be 9x and 4y, and it has to stay like that. You cannot simplify it anymore. Just an FYI, it wasn't one of the problems, but I want to make sure you see both pieces. For example 2, we need to simplify 2 times x plus 4 plus 3 times 6 minus x. Let me fix that, -4. All right, so we need to multiply, so we get 2x, and then we have a plus 8 plus 3 times 6, which is 18, minus 3x. Then we're going to want to combine all those terms. So we've got 2x minus 3x, which is a negative x. And then we have 8 plus 18, which is a positive 26. And that right there is our combination, and we are finished.